Now let's look at this example. It says, what is square root of 300 plus square root of 48 minus 2 square root of 75 in the form of a root 3, where a is an integer? Alright, now the first thing you have to do is to write each surd in the form of root 3 or square root of 3. So let's begin with writing square root of 300 in form of root 3. Square root of 300, same thing as square root of 100 times 3. So when you separate the square roots, this is same thing as square root of 100 times square root of 3. So square root of 100 will give us what? 10. So you have 10 root 3. Okay, now let's express square root of 48 in terms of root 3. So for square root of 48 is the same thing as square root of 16 times 3. So when you separate, you're going to have square root of 16 times square root of 3. Square root of 16 is 4. We have 4 root 3. Now lastly, when you have, let's express a value of 2 root 75 in surd term of root 3. When you do this, you're going to have 2 root 75, the same thing as 2 root 25 times 3. Now, when you separate the square roots, the same thing as 2 times root 25 times root 3. Okay, so this will give us, square root of 25 will give us 5. So 5 times 2, we're going to have 10 root 3. Now that we have written each surd in terms of root 3, finally, our answer, remember the question says, what is this expression in terms of a root 3, where a is an integer? So finally, we're going to write that square root of 300 plus square root of 48 minus 2 root 75 in the form of a root 3 is the same thing as, so we bring in this value we have expressed, same thing as 10 root 3 plus 4 root 3. Okay, we have minus 10 root 3. Now when you reach at this point, you then sum them, leaving the root 3. 10 plus 4 give us 14. 14 minus 10 will give us 4. Okay, so our final answer will be 4 root 3. Alright, so that will be our final answer to this question, where our a here will be 4, where our a is representing 4. So this is basically how you can solve this kind of problem.